One Deep, Mr. Showdown Boy, Texas Rangers Entertainment. 1965 O's, Regency 98, man. Restoration, full restoration, man. Just getting another look at it. Rotors and calipers got to be sprayed with that high temp paint, man. All new everything. New lines. Look at that new brake line, man. Oh, it's sweet, man. Tell me what. All new everything. Front and back. 1965 O's, man. Regency 98. Full restoration. $1965, man. Full restoration. Body shop Nicks. Tell me what. 52,000 miles, man. Original miles. 65 Oldsmobile Regency 98. $47,000 miles on it when I got it. About 6 or 7 years back. 52,000 original miles on it now, man. Getting everything completely restored on it, man. OneDeep's 1965 O's Regency 98 complete restoration, man. Part 3, man. This part 3 here, man. Just back checking on it. Yeah, man. Body shop Nicks. Full body. Don't need that much. Just a little bit on the back and a little bit on the sides at the bottom. And a little bit of rust on the back windows at the... Other than that, all original everything, man. Original metal and everything. All original chrome. This is a 1965 Regency 98, man. 52,000 miles on it, man. Part 3, restoration, baby. Already. Tell me what. OneDeep's 1965 O's Regency 98 full restoration. GPS tracker, AAA, everything on it, Jack. Like I said on part 2, you ain't gonna see this pulled on the side of the road. All new everything. Look at that, everything under here new. New brake lines, everything. New everything that has to do with the brakes, the bearings. All this, everything new. Complete. Calipers, even the drums, everything new. Front and back. We'll be on the street soon, man. One Deep, Mr. Showdown Boys, Texas Rangers Entertainment. 1965 O's Regency 98 luxury sedan, holiday luxury sedan, full restoration, part 3. Just coming by Walter's shop to check on it. Soundcloud.